Welcome to Global Gateway High Tech School CBSE at Anuppur. Hello children, have a nice day. In the previous class we learned good habits. I hope everyone remembered that. Today we are going to learn good manners and golden words. What is the difference between habits and manners? Habits means regular practice. Manners means the way that somebody behave. Let's see 5 golden words. Please, thank you, excuse me, pardon, sorry. First word, please. What is the word? Please. Have you heard this word? You may. When do you say please? When you want something from others, or if you want to get favor from others, you must say please. For example, you need water. How to ask your mother? Mom, give me some water, please. If you want to get a pencil from your friend, how do you ask? Please give me a pencil. The next word, thank you. When do you say thank you? When you get anything from anybody, you should say thank you. For example, your mummy gives a gift for you on your birthday. You must say thank you. Suppose you get a pencil from your friend. What do you say? Thank you. Don't forget to say thanks. The next word, excuse me. When do you use excuse me? To live in the middle of a conversation, when you interrupt someone while talking, to get someone's attention during the time we must ask excuse. For example, your parents are seriously discussing something. You want to tell something very urgent. What will you do? First, you want to get the attention by saying excuse me, and when their attention is on you, you can say whatever you have to say. When you enter the class or office, to ask permission, you want to say excuse me. When you sneeze, you ask excuse me. Sorry. When do you say sorry? If you do something wrong by mistake, you must say sorry. Unknowingly, if you hurt someone, you want to say sorry. If you mistakenly do something that creates some problems to others, you want to say sorry. For example, Gopi pushed the boy Ravi unknowingly. During this situation, Gopi asked sorry to Ravi. Pardon. You say pardon when you did not hear someone, when you want someone's attention, or when you would like someone to move. For example, if your father said some work to you, you could not hear it clearly. What did you say? Pardon, please repeat again. We should be polite. While talking to others, you should talk softly and politely. We must greet our friends, teachers, and elders. How do you greet others? By saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When do you say good morning? Good morning is generally used from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. When do you say good afternoon? Good afternoon is used at the time period 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. When do you say good evening? Good evening is often used after 4 p.m. or when the sun goes down. Let's remember, respect your parents, teachers, and elders. Share your toys with your friends. Always stand in a queue. Never push others. Speak the truth, never tell lies or fighting with others. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.